Alrighty, so we're gonna show the lipstick on a pig car. It's a Rust-Oleum special. SS Tetanus. We're calling her Sonique. Hopefully she will go so unique that it'll be kind of like a Sonic the Hedgehog. So fuel cell there. We got all the little goodies underneath there. Put on air shocks just to kind of give me room for those tires, because these tires are just a little too big to go into that archway. We're gonna cut out this to about where this line is and hopefully get all that to mesh in nicely so we have enough room for them slicks to go on. And of course you saw disc brakes. And then what will be my nightmare soon. You gotta paint the roll cage still. Of course it's flash rusted because it's been in here for a little while and I never got to it. But there's my nightmare. That's gonna take a long time for me to sort out. Somebody installed an old ass stereo in here previously. That will be coming out. But it's gonna slowly be a work in progress. It's got disc brakes all the way around. Clean this stuff up a little bit so that it's more presentable. And then we're getting into that project. I have very limited space, so this is 2 carports from Costco, end to end. We got tools, welders, engines, drill presses, everything you can imagine back here that I can't fit in my other garage because we have another project in there, don't we?